This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 16 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, loft, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cherokee Timberwolf 16 megaliters is 7,109 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.